Hello everyone, welcome to the new video on Gradients Plus. In this video, I am going to discuss about the group discussion or case discussion and personal interview round. I have seen many students who get very good score in their exams like CAT, SNAP or NMAT, but they cannot convert the final call. Imagine you have cracked the exam and you get rejected in the group discussion or the case discussion round. As an example, let's focus on NMAT. As an example, let's focus on NMAT stats. The cutoff for NMIMS Mumbai lies generally between 209 to 212. Since this year it's an adaptive test, we can't really comment about this year's cutoff. But I will talk about my experience in NMAT in 2019. The cutoff was 209 and about 2000 to 2200 students get called for case discussion and personal interview round. So for reference, think of a situation wherein you are appearing for a case discussion or a group discussion wherein 10 candidates are sitting and only top 2 are getting an interview call. And amongst those 2, only 1 is getting selected. Hence, it is very important to prepare for the CDPI or the GDPI rounds. Now, many students get confused between what is a case discussion and what is a group discussion. A case discussion is something in which typically a corporate case will be given to you where some decisions needs to be made and discussion happens around it. And whereas in GD, the topic can be anything from the current happenings to an abstract topic. Abstract topic can be anything like talk on the color orange. It could be as abstract as this. From what I have seen in NMIMS Mumbai, many students with low or an average score in NMAT converted the NMIMS Mumbai with a solid performance in their CD, that is case discussion and personal interview round. Let's take a look at 3 categories. So the cutoff for 2019 for NMIMS Mumbai call was 209. And trust me, the NMAT score carries a heavy weightage in the final score calculation. It carries about 70% of the weightage. But I have seen students with an average score of around 212 to 215 converted NMIMS Mumbai with the solid performance in their case discussion and the personal interview round. And also I have seen students with 230 plus marks, about 230 to 235 scores, they could not convert the NMIMS Mumbai because of the poor performance in the CD and PI round. Coming to how are we going to help you, we have launched a CD and GD group in which we have these offerings. So in first offering, which is case discussion, you will get 3 live case discussions and 3 one-on-one feedback and mentoring sessions with NMIMS Mumbai alum and 1 live session on hygiene preparation of case discussions in which we cover the do's and don'ts of case discussion. Also, you will get a topics of 10 real cases which were asked in past 2 years, which will give you a fair idea about the case discussion round in NMIMS campuses. Talking about the second offering, which is the personal interview, you will get 3 mock PIs with the feedback sessions. We will guide you about the most important question of your interview, that is, tell me about yourself, and other hygiene questions as well. So the next offering is the SOP writing. As SOPs are critical and create a positive impact before you actually appear for an interview, so we will have a one-on-one live session with NMIMS Mumbai alum who would guide you about the SOP writing, and also you will get access to the 10 successful SOPs of the students who made it to NM Mumbai. Coming to the last offering, that is a VAT training. Now VAT is very critical when you think about IIMs or other B schools like Great Lakes. So in this, we will have 3 live sessions on how to ace VAT and 1 live session with IIM graduate, and he will share his expertise on the same. You will get the list of 15 VAT topics for your preparation, which will boost your confidence. So to know more, you can connect with us on the same number. For your reference, I have also updated this number in the description box. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for quality content on concepts as well as general videos on B schools as well. Thank you.